Okay, so overlapping. On your drawing right here, where the star overlaps or is on top of the diamond, that's considered overlapping. And where the heart kind of crosses into the rectangle right there, that's also overlapping. Same with the diamond that crosses into the square right there. So you already have overlapping. We just need to make those shapes kind of stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to um, use I'm going to enlarge that. I'm going to use the pencil and I'm going to color the star. I know this isn't exactly the right colors, but so I'm going to color the star or shade it in so it kind of pops up a little bit more. And I'm going to go, you could also erase it out of there. That would also work. Same thing with the heart. Since the paper is sort of white, we're considering that white, and your this light value is pretty light, and this the middle value is a little bit darker. Actually, I'm gonna change the color, and let's do it. I'm gonna make it dark, about the same value as this section, and that'll help it pop out even more. So that's the idea. We want those shapes to stand out a little bit more than what they are in front of. Okay, that's all there is to it. So let me know if you need any more help. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.